guys, welcome back to my channel. This is RoseJayCreates and I am Rose, and thank you for stopping by. Thank you for showing your support as always. I look forward to producing and kind of uploading more videos so you guys can kind of show support. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you're not leaving any comments, make sure you leave those comments. Leave a thumbs up as well. Make sure you hit that notification bell. That way I'm notified every time a video is uploaded. Or, I'm sorry, that way you're notified every time a video is uploaded. I'm the one that's uploading the video. Haha. Anyways, it's nice to have you guys supporting me throughout these weeks and months. I really appreciate all the support. Make sure if you are watching videos and an ad pops up, please let those ads run. That's how I kind of make money off of the ads. Since I am being monetized now, it just kind of helps me with income, being laid off work. I'm sure you guys are tired of hearing me talk about being laid off work, but I am laid off work, and so I use YouTube as another source of income. So again, guys, thank you so much for showing your support. And as always, check me out on Instagram, RoseJayCreates, and then I also have an Etsy channel as well, RoseJayCreates. I have a few items on there, about 10 items, and so they are for sale. So please reach out, show your support, whatever way you can. And again, guys, thank you for tuning in to RoseJayCreates. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Hi, I wanted to show you the crystals that I am going to be using in this project. These clear ones, I got these off of Amazon, and these are just called confetti crystals. I'm making a mess, but and they're really inexpensive. And then these green ones, I got these green crystals from Hobby Lobby. I'm also going to be using some mica powders. I'm going to use the forest green and the pearl mica powder along with the gold. The green crystals, I wanted to tell you, I got them from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby has an online coupon for 40% off. So anytime you go to Hobby Lobby, make sure you download their coupon. These crystals were really, really inexpensive. I think they were like maybe $5, and then with the 40% off coupon, they're really, really worth it. But all I'm going to do is pour some of my clear crystals down the center of my tray. Not all the way down, but just in the middle part of the tray. And I'm just going to kind of give it a glitter in the middle part of the tray. And all I'm doing is adding some of my confetti glitter. I got this confetti glitter from Hobby Lobby as well. And then this was the pearl mica powder. I'm just pouring this around the glitter. And then this is my forest green. And all I'm going to do is just keep adding my colors. And once they blend, I like the colors. I like the accent colors of the gold in the background. And all I'm doing is adding my crystals on the edges. So that way when I start to shape and mold my tray, the crystals will kind of accentuate on the edges. At least that's the goal I'm hoping for. So all I'm going to do is just finish putting my crystals down on the edges. And then any leftover resin that I have, I'm just going to pour it into the tray. I don't want to waste any of this. And I'm just going to keep layering it with the pearl and the chunky glitter resin. I'm going to add a little bit more resin because I want it to make sure the crystals are completely covered. So I'm going to pour some more on top of the crystals. So it's been about 7 hours. And this looks pretty good. I like that it's setting up really, really nicely. What do you think of those crystals? I like how the crystals look. So I am going to try and shape this, but I don't really know how I want to shape it. So I'm going to try out a number of things. This is just one of these exercise steppers. Like I said, I'm not really sure what shape I want to go with, so I'm just going to kind of try out a number of things. But for now, I am just going to kind of play around and see what works and what doesn't work. I don't too much care for what that looks like. It's, I want the tray to have a little bit more dimension, and this kind of looks a little too flat. I mean, I like the curvature shape of it, but it just looks a little too flat for me. So, I don't know. I don't think I'll too much care for this tray, but I like how it looks. It's not bad. Maybe another tray, but I kind of want this to kind of have a more of an abstract shape to it. So all I'm going to do is just keep kind of playing around and see what works. Okay guys, it's been 24 hours and I have let it set. And all I am going to do right now is just unmold it and kind of get a look at it. I'm just slowly kind of taking some of the tape off the plastic that was stuck on the sides. But it's looking really nice. I kind of like the shape. I didn't really know what shape I was going for. I just kind of was playing around with different ideas. Fingers crossed that it looks great. We're going to see it together for the very first time. Oh wow, I like it. What do you guys think? Oh, I really like it. I like this shape. I'm glad I went with this shape. I was a little nervous. But I kind of like it. I really like how it looks. I had some extra leftover resin. I think I'm going to use it to make another vase. I think I'm going to use it to make something else. But what do you guys think? Let me know. I like this. This looks really great. So this was the leftover resin that I had. I decided to just use it to sort of create another crystal vase with these same colors. So all I'm going to do is just kind of pour it and just kind of see what it takes me. I hope you really enjoyed that video. I had a really great time making it. I wanted to show you the pieces that I made. So this was the tray that I made. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? Look at that. I decided to wear green to kind of match my pieces. Oh my goodness, isn't that pretty? This is what it looks like. I kind of wanted it to have a little bit of shape to it and not just be just a standard tray. What do you guys think of this? Isn't this gorgeous? Trying to make it so you can see some of the pieces in the middle. Move that some. This is the tray. Oh, that is gorgeous. Isn't that gorgeous? And this is the vase that I made. So this was the extra resin that I had left over, and I decided to go around the outline of it after I trimmed the extra thin pieces of resin. I decided to use some gold paint and just kind of went around the outline of it. And this is what this face looks like with the extra resin that I made. And then here is the tray. So guys, I really hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you are subscribed. Hit those notifications so you'll be alerted whenever I do a video. And also, I am able to have people join my channel. So please hit that join button if you would like to join RoseJayCreates. I have a lot of great things that are going on, and I would love to have you guys be a member of my page. But I just wanted you guys to see the end result of this tray and this vase. Thank you guys for tuning into RoseJayCreates, and you guys have a great day. Bye.